Hi, welcome back to Jack TV. To all my viewers that are viewing me out there, I'd like to thank you for taking your time for watching me. What I'm about to share with you, it's real story, real things that are going through my life. When Jesus did to me, when Jesus called me, when Jesus walked with me. Because most of the time I pray, usually, I'm always asking Jesus to use me. Jesus, make me see things more clearly. Make me understand things more clearly. So my prayer was answered. Every time, every day now, because it's every day that I go to bed, it's like I'm seeing what's going on around the world. It's like I'm flying places. It's like I'm being in places, say, tell people, say Jesus, say to get Jesus to their life. This time, I'm flying, like, if you know me, if you get to know my background, I'm from Haiti, and if you know where I'm coming from, my background, I was not a Christian guy. My background was like I was in my father. Before he was a good priest before he become. Then after that, before he passed away, he become a Christian. And after then he become a Christian, then he become a pastor. But through the family, his brother, cousin, most of these people, they were doing the good thing. But since Jesus called me, since he become a Christian, I be follow his footsteps. I become a Christian. But it was not an easy task for me. For me to get away from that thing, from that good thing, and to be part of a Christian, it was a fight. I have to pray every single day. Because of that time I see, since my father was doing the thing also, he put a church in his hometown. It's not a well done church, but he doing his best, so he put a church in the hometown, and the same church, he put it inside the church, he have a school inside of it, say, to teach those children. And my vision was like, okay, what I can do to help him out, in order for me to make this thing happen very much more, to do more things, to create, for those kids to have a better life, for them to be able to help themselves tomorrow. And where I was at, I was in a mission, guys. And that time, I get called by Jesus. And I was part of it, and I see myself, want to help those people, want to help those kids. Because some of those kids, they raising, because without no education, without a property, because with that type of thing that's going on in Haiti, and they need to be teaching the word of Christ, and then to be somebody in life, to be something, because they are the future of the country. And not because the fact that this thing are going around the world, this is not just Haiti. You're talking about Africa and all this type of things. Sometimes I see myself down there also in those places, because I was just calling just for Haiti, just for Haiti. I don't go any places, because I'm here since that period of time, since 1993. I'm an immigrant. I'm an illegal immigrant. I don't go to places, but I'm praying. I have feeling. I have love. I have all that type of thing. And I see what the thing that's going on around the world, and I see things could be better. I see why those things cannot be better. Who make those decisions? Why can people live a better life and all that type of thing? I say, Jesus used me, make me be part of this, so I could, those people could have a better life. I was in that position. I'm in the position, guys. And I said, this thing is happening to me every day that I'm dreaming. I'm like, you know what? I have this vision. There was a time, it's like, I close my eyes and all of a sudden I can see myself so other places. I'm talking about, I see the image just by closing my eyes. Things that's going through inside of my body, because I'm asking Jesus to give me more strength. Give me the knowledge that I need. Give me the power that I need. In order for me to do the work that you put me in to do. I said, Jesus, guide me, protect me all the time. Give me the strength that I need. And I see that happen to me. There was a time thing was so tough for me. Because it's like at that period of time, I see that my Father is inside of my head also. He's coaching me, he's telling me things. He's in the work also, because he's in all that thing also. When he see things too much for him, at that time he was so he didn't have that much strength on him. I mean, the spirit, he don't have that much strength on him. He tell me, Jack, I can't take it anymore, because the fact that it seemed like he's inside of my body or something. He said, Jack, I can't take it anymore. This thing is too much. The work that I was calling to put into. He tell me, I have to kill myself. I cannot take this thing anymore. I'm telling you the truth. If you see this scar on my throat, I almost kill myself. But at the time I'm doing this, Jesus, I'm like, no, Jesus, this is not the thing. I put the knife down, and I opened the door, because I closed the door for nobody to know, for me to see me. I opened the door, and my brother see me on blood. He telling me, Jack, what are you doing? What are you doing? I said, man, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. They take me to hospital and all that type of thing, because, and Jesus saved me there. He saved me again. Guys, this is so much. I'm telling you, because when those people asking me questions, they say, what's happening? Why you do that, something like that to yourself? I cannot give them no words, because I have no words. Even though I explain to them, they will never understand what's going on through inside of my head. Every day I'm going to bed, I'm having those feelings. I'm having those thoughts. It's not just thought, I'm having those images. Like I'm out there, walking. Stay tuned in Jack TV, guys. I have more to come for you. This is more interesting story. I have more to come to you.